Friends, this is our 80th episode, Man Ki Sachi Baat, Random Thoughts. Day is 1/8/2020, Saturday. It is full of number 8 only. 80th episode, 8 months, and Rahu, all are very strong planets. And number 8 you know very well. Number 8 is good for good and bad for very bad. And few number 8s I will tell you. Manmohan Singh ji, Modi ji, and Devanand, great actor Devanand, and Doval sir. These are the number 8s. So you can judge what number 8 is. The education policy was announced yesterday. I could not see it because I rarely see the TV. My wife only sees the TV and she tells me what is going on. So about the education policy, I should speak as a law professional, rather law student I should say, and I should say legal advisor. I cannot say that I am a practicing advocate because I have not passed LLB. So I can be a legal advisor. So and in the law, professional ethics of law is that unless you listen to both the parties, you should not comment anything. But here, when you know the antecedents of the opposite party, you can comment also. So without reading the education policy, I will tell what is our policy. Appa and 3S, if we come to power, or even our friends come to power, our policy will be about education. I will tell. Number 1 is fundamental, ease of education. Number 2, encouragement to education. Number 3, affordable education. Number 4, education for all. Number 4, education for all. Number 5 is quality education. Quality education I am giving number 5. You should not start for quality and fail the students. Absolutely no. Our policy of education will be no failures, no suicides, no burdens on the students from class 0 to class 12. No suicides, no what is called failures, no depressions, no burdens from class 0 to class 12. Even after class 12 also, in professional educations also, like advocates, doctors, engineers, will make such a smooth that there will be no suicides, no failures. Coming to the education policy, what we will do class 0 to class 12. Class 0 to class 12, we will give uninterrupted, without break education. Uninterrupted, without break education. In class 12 only, there will be a final examination, and each child will be allowed to appear in the subjects where he has failed 3 times. And after 3 times, whatever marks he secured, we will give him the degree or the certificate, whatever you call. Education is state subject, so whether you call it degree or whatever is okay, we will give at 12th degree, and with the marks, degree or certificate, and marks, matrix of marks at the back. Suppose some child has got in mathematics finally 20 marks, we will write 20. Passing marks may be 40. He got 20, but he appeared 3 times, but finally he got maximum 20. We will write 20, give him the degree with the marks at the back side, so that when he go to the market, the market will judge him and give him the jobs. But there will be no failures. Number 1. Number 2, this new policy says that up to 5th class, this, that, so much. Nothing doing. From class 0 to class 12, to build a scientific temper in the what is called education. What we will do, I am telling 7 subjects from class 0 to class 12 will make compulsory. First is local education, number 2 Hindi, number 3 English, fundamental, number 4 physics, number 5 mathematics, chemistry, biology, geology, whatever you call, and number 7 whatever is skill, you want to, Modi ji and said skill development is very important. I am also telling, please develop the skill also, one subject for skill. So therefore, 7 subjects, lucky 7 should be taught from class 0 to class 12. Fundamental, class 0 to class 12. No breaks, no failures, no breaks, no failures, no depressions. This is what we are telling. And about professional courses also, I have got a very fundamental. वो एक कहावत है हमारे यहाँ, सत्सैया के दोहरे जो नाविक के तीर देखन में छोटे लगे घाव करे गंभीर. What I am telling, they are like the arrows. We don't go out, what is it, beating behind the bush, nothing doing. About the professional education, I will take 2 subjects. One is medical, and another is law. 2 only. I am telling, the law education 5 years is a bogus. 5 years is a bogus. In 5 years, I will give 2 degrees. I will give LLM and MBA. I will give 2 degrees. LLM and MBA 5 years. It is all nonsense. The degree courses should be reduced by 1 year. Immediately they should be reduced by 1 year. Not only by reduced by 1 year, but suppose some medically there is a called nursing course. Nursing course is 3 years course after 12th. So after 12th year course, we should design the nursing course in such a manner that if somebody nursing boy or girl want to become doctor, within 1 year we should train him and make him a doctor. That's all. That should be the policy of the nursing. Similarly, in the policy of what is called law, so the course should be 2 years and 3 years. Anyway, 2 years, correct, 2 years and 3 years only, not 5 years and all. And finally, if you want to know more about law, this education policy, please read my forthcoming book, Judicial Reforms and Law Education, which will be coming shortly, and in which I have covered everything. With this, I am telling about education policy. If somebody wants to know details, welcome, meet us. And with this, I close. Ashwin Sharma, Dr. Atmaram Gandhian, Appa in 3 years. Jai Hind.